Hey guys, so I need to change my battery out, but if you are not new here, welcome. If you are if you're new here, welcome. If you are not new here, welcome back, girl. So today I'm gonna be doing a lot of things. My battery is about to die, so let me go change it real quick. Switch out my battery, and I'm about to record a reel. About to go get my piercings, y'all. Y'all, did y'all hear my stomach growling? Growling, bubble guts, I don't know what the fuck. I might have to go shit, I don't know. But y'all, finna go get my piercings, back. I'm so excited. All right, y'all, so I'm about to get my piercings. Yeah, don't play with it. All right, so I'm about to film a reel of me getting dressed because I'm about to find somewhere to go take my pictures after I get my piercings. Like, y'all, I'm so excited. 2024, I'm not playing with this YouTube. Not playing. Just expect good content from here on out. Like, no more half-assing. No. Not saying that I was half-assing. I was giving my all, but it's always room to just improve and do better. Nothing, like, we locked in. It's time to focus, y'all. I got goals, and baby, I'm gonna achieve them. You can too with me. I'll be back, and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. I got some good ass lighting, a new lens. Like, y'all, I'm not playing. Hey guys, so I'm currently in the car and I am calling around to different places so I can be able to figure out where I can go to get my piercings. This place is about 18 minutes out and they didn't answer. I'm gonna call one more time. I'm guessing they're busy. My stomach hurts so fucking bad. Like, that's what I just told y'all. Like, I feel like I'm finna shit on myself. This is on. Okay, let me see how far this is. Let me just call this place.
Jacksie.
Hi, I was just wondering, are you guys busy right now?
Nope, not.
So I wanted to get, like, paired piercings on, like, I wanted to get two, double piercings on one of my nostrils, like, on one side.
Alright.
How much is it, or?
Let's get 68 bucks, I think.
Okay. And that's not including, like, the jewelry and stuff, is it?
Yeah, the jewelry.
You said it does include jewelry?
What?
You said that it includes jewelry?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Alright, bye.
Bye. I'm not fucking going there. Hold on. I feel like I'm finna throw up and I just got so, like, lightheaded. Hold on, y'all. I gotta come back. So basically, I realized that I had way too much perfume on and it made my stomach very weak and it felt like it was just something like squeezing my stomach and I thought I was about to die, y'all. But alright, let's get back to it. I felt better after I threw up. TMI.
5 minutes later.
So a lot better. I had to throw up. I went in the house and threw up and changed my shirt because I realized that I put on 3 different perfumes and I did not mean to do that. I don't even know, I was just rushing trying to, like, go do my content because I got my tripod right here, but I called a place and I'm about to go on my, I'm about to be on my way there.
In your lips, babe, that makes me feel this high.
So I ended up making it, but I'm at the mall. I didn't know it was inside of the mall. Oh, look at this Tesla. It looks nice.
Honestly, the longest thing is the switch outs. Like changing jewelry out.
Yeah.
Takes way longer than the piercing. Or if you have to do something with symmetry, like how we're doing today. Sorry, I'm stopping.
Oh no, it's fine. No, I was trying to get like the good lighting.
Yeah, and you can adjust that light if you want and set your phone up wherever.
Okay.
Because it's gonna take me a minute. I'm gonna get all this ready for you.
Okay.
If you feel like everyone's always on the same wavelength.
Yeah.
And I'll measure this too for you.
Okay.
You go bound for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, though. Cause I'm the by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's with the talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. That the baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh.
Back and then get the front so that way this jewelry's not in the way and I can screw these on.
Okay.
If anything happens to the jewelry, I'm gonna make sure these are screwed on tight today.
Okay.
But sometimes, you know, even though we try to make sure they're tight, they, you know, after they clean them, they loosen up. If that happens, come on as soon as you can, and let the other piercer know if I'm not here, and even if it's me, remind me.
Okay.
That's what.
Yeah.
I don't count, but I'm gonna say breathe in
Okay.
and blow out. Okay, breathe in and blow out. Okay. You right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So where's the nostril?
The nostrils do hurt. Sorry, I gotta put it this way. Alright.
Feel that tear coming.
Yeah. It's like when you get your septum both tear up.
Yep.
Okay, breathe in and blow out. Alright, we'll get these guys screwed in for you. Here we go, this part sucks. Alright, I'll get your other jewelry in for you too in a second. I'm gonna try my best not to drop these guys because they are small. Alright, let me know if I'm tugging because I'm about to tighten this one on. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Tighten this guy. Okay. You got a mirror on the wall too.
Okay, let me go look. Oh yeah, I like that.
Alright, how we do? Does it look good?
Yeah, I like this. Hey y'all, so God, the music. Kelsey. Okay, Kelsey.